lights is on the beat.
So hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So guess what? Y'all see, sis got some braids. My hair is so frizzy and my braids is so long, y'all. My braids is so. I tell y'all, y'all see I got my neck pierced again. Y'all can see it. It's lit. So cute. But yeah. How y'all been? How y'all doing? So I've been editing my videos and I've been uploading my videos and it's just y'all see my face clearing up and everything. Like what's she been in here doing? So yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, my face is clearing up. I've been over here just working, trying to get these videos done. So I'm going to do right now a little video. And my video is a Megan Thee Stallion video. I've been on TikTok lately, so I'm gonna put that down below. Make sure y'all follow me on TikTok. You came into my life. Alright, so I guess we're gonna go like that. I already put my vitamin E oil on my face. Big booty. So I've been really loving this concealer stick, this concealer cream. And probably not that much. And then we're going to dip this in my eyes. As y'all see, I didn't use a lot. I did not use a lot. And we're just doing something, a light little cute beat today. So we did that eye. So now we're going to do these wings and these lashes. And we're going to do, look, sis, this video. Since when I do my eye makeup this fast and my brows. That's because I be in here practicing. Alright, so we're going to put on this face primer. Foundation. So we finish with that. Good. Good. Do you like the way I like it? Do you like the way I move? Now we're going to put this right here, here, right there. Let's get into this powder contour. Johnny acting crazy. I really love this look. Like, can y'all believe that I really just did my face in like 10 minutes? And look at it, it's so cute. Like, yeah, so this was like a very, very successful 10-minute video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick makeup video. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all like my braids. Only had them in for a week, but I don't tie my hair down, so that's why they look so messy. I'm about ready to take them out. I will keep y'all updated with these new ventures. Not new ventures, because if y'all follow me on social media, I've been about this hair life. Yes, I'm gonna keep y'all posted with everything that's coming up. Yes, continue to subscribe, to continue to watch, to like, hit the notification bell, because it's obviously we posting videos. Also follow me on social media. Everything will be linked down below. Everything will be linked down below, and I will see y'all in my next video, because sis is about to get TikTok popping. Okay, y'all, so make sure y'all follow me on TikTok. I'm gonna put that down below. And like I said, I'll see y'all. Oh, one more thing I want to tell y'all. These new Red Bull watermelons are so good. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also hit the notification bell. Sis will be back with another one. Okay, I love y'all. Thank you for all the love and support, and I'll see y'all in my next video.